T- Attending the workshop of Empowering Educator. It's an international boot camp teaching the concept of AI, Python, and robotics to the educators. Now, on the day 6, we have made a project on sentiment analysis. So let us open the Pictoblox and make this project. I'm in a Pictoblox now. So let us make the project of sentiment analysis. So first of all, I have import, let us say, yeah, import time module so that I can use sleep function in my program. Now I want to recognize the text, so I'll take the variable tr is equal to text recognition. So I'm using the class text recognition, and all the functions of this will be accessed through the object or the variable tr. Then I have to turn on the video. So tr.video. Now there are three options: on, off, and on flipped. So I want to use on flipped because I'm working on the laptop and there is only one camera. So if I show some text, the mirror image will appear. I want to see that the text should appear in the same way, not the mirror image. So I'll use on flipped. So I have the option when it opens the camera. So I can click on the flip button. Now Now, there are some options that I'm checking if I show the text as sad, happy, angry, or frustrated. Some information will appear on the screen. So I have already written this code. So while true, I'm continuously analyzing my camera, and within the bracket I have written within the double quotes handwritten text. So the handwritten text, if it is happy, I'm printing something. If it is sad, angry, or frustrated, if it is not recognizing anything, it says try again. Now I want to make use of the text to speech also. So I'll use a statement TS is equal to text to speech. So I want to display this uh, I can use ts.speak and I can use the same message what appear in the same. So I just copy and paste. Control C and Control V. Similarly, I'll do it for the other also. If it is sad, it say some message and I want to speak that message also using the text to speech. So I'll just copy and paste. Similarly, I'll do it for the angry. And one more, I'll do it for the frustrated. I think I have written a wrong spelling. It should be traded. And the last one, ts.speak, try it. So let us run this application. Run this program. Now make sure that the light should be proper,
Try
and you
again.
have to flip this camera first.
Try again.
Let me place it properly.
Try again. Try again.
Okay, I think that the light is not proper.
Try again. Let's talk about what's bothering you. Try again. I'm so glad to see you happy. Keep spreading joy. Try again. It's important to take breaks and give yourself time to recharge. Try again. Let's take a break and come back to this when you're feeling calmer. Try again. I'm so glad to see you happy. Keep spreading joy.
I like this application. I hope you too also like it.
Try again.
Thank you so much and namaskar.
Try again.